Hello everyone, I'm Hans Justin L. San Felipe and I'm 20 years old. I live in San Isidro, Sangay, Camarines Sur. I enjoy playing video games and watching movies in my free time. My favorite color is black, especially for my clothes, because it doesn't get dirty easily. I'm a third year student at Mariners Polytechnic College's Foundation of Canacman in the BSMT 3B2 section. I choose to study marine transportation because my uncle's experience as a seaman inspired me. His stories about adventures at sea and visiting different countries made me want to work in the maritime field. I like the idea of working on a ship, surrounded by the ocean, and learning about different cultures. Being a seafarer is a career that offers free travel, letting me see new places while learning important skills in navigation and ship management. This career is perfect for my love of adventure and exploring, and I'm excited to dedicate myself to it. I will show respect in class by helping to create a positive and welcoming learning environment. Respect is important so everyone feels valued. I will listen carefully to my classmates, make eye contact, and not interrupt. I will use polite words like please and thank you. I will also be aware of my body language, making sure it shows I'm engaged and open to others. I will appreciate the different backgrounds in our class, knowing that they make our discussion better. I will be on time and prepared for class, showing that I respect everyone's time. To stay focused, I will avoid using my phone during lessons. I will be open to different viewpoints and participate thoughtfully, sharing my ideas respectfully and letting others share theirs too. In 5 years, I see myself as an experienced seaman, sailing the world's oceans. I'll be good at ship operations, from navigation to maintenance, and a helpful crew member. I hope to move up in the ranks, teach others, and specialize in a part of maritime work, helping with global trade. That's all, thank you.